As we know, Se-yoon was originally supposed to marry Hong In-ah. However, on the day of their wedding, Hong In-ah ran away. In her absence, Se-yoon asked Hee-ju to take her place as the bride. Hong In-ah's father has a close relationship with Se-yoon's family. Here's the backstory from the novel. In the past, Park Jung-ho had a grandson through his son, Park Woo-young, and his name was Park Se-yoon. Unfortunately, this grandson was violent and even committed murder. During that time, Park Jung-ho was preparing to run for president and feared the negative impact of his grandson's actions on his campaign. As a result, Park Jung-ho decided to kill the real Park Se-yoon by drowning him. He then replaced his grandson with an illegitimate child of his own, who is now the current Park Se-yoon. Hong In-ah discovered this shocking secret. In response, Park Jung-ho attempted to kill her along with Hee-ju and her younger brother in a car accident. Tragically, their younger brother died in the crash, while Hong In-ah suffered a serious ear injury that left her deaf. Meanwhile, Hee-ju remained unharmed. Hee-ju's mother forced her to pretend she was shocked and mute. This was done to avoid upsetting her stepfather, Hong Kyung, who had already lost a son and now had a deaf daughter. So, Hong In-ah is the sole person who knows the truth about the Se-yoon family. The marriage arrangement involves a deal where Hong In-ah would switch brides with Se-yoon in exchange for help escaping her situation. Se-yoon's primary motive was to protect Hee-ju from being forced into a terrible marriage. Adding more complexity, the original Park Se-yoon, who survived the drowning incident but lost his memory, has started regaining his memories. Now, he's reappearing and is determined to get rid of the fake Se-yoon. Additionally, when Se-yoon and Hee-ju's parents visited a gun range, Yoon-hee tried to see what Kyu-jin was reading. Kyu-jin became defensive and secretive, refusing to share the information. Later, the kidnapper received a message from a contact saved as Master in his phone. The Master sent a link to the news about the fire in the office building. The kidnapper texted back, "Did you see it? What do you think?" The Master responded, "From now on, don't act alone." The kidnapper replied, "Then why are you leaving me out?" This evidence suggests that the Master is Kyu-jin, and the kidnapper is her son who loves eating fish. There's a theory suggesting that Hong In-ah's brother could also be the kidnapper, because he has a scar on his neck, and refers to Hee-ju as a sister, and In-ah might be helping him, because she is one of the few people who knows the truth about their marriage. That's how the kidnapper finds out that Se-yoon's wife is Hee-ju. In episode 4, Se-yoon goes upstairs to return Hee-ju's jacket, which her has discovered she was the one calling him. In a twist of events, Hee-ju falls, but is saved by Se-yoon. I don't think he will ask her why she can speak, or why she was talking on the phone as the blackmailer, considering the situation she was in, such as standing on a bench right next to the edge of the building. I believe he will ask her why she wanted to harm herself. Also, it wouldn't make sense for him to get a gift for her, because she got a new job if he was angry. It seems that Se-yoon will pretend Hee-ju cannot talk, and will suspect her of being the kidnapper. Later, when Hee-ju calls out Se-yoon for the first time, he confirms his suspicion that she is the kidnapper, and decides to confront her. If you had fun watching the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more K-dramas information.